Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you might be on planet Earth. And welcome to the August 9th episode of Let's Get SASE. This is your one-stop shop for everything SASE from your friends at Cisco. I'm John, and I will be your SASE MC for this episode. If you love Meraki and you're on the way to a SASE architecture, you'll love our episode today. It's all about unified SASE using Meraki and Secure Connect. Meraki is a great, unified, and simple platform that administrators love. We're going to dig into all the ways Meraki-enabled SASE can enable and empower your business. So buckle up. But first, the news. Welcome back to the Let's Get SASE news segment. We're glad you made it. In this week's news, we visit the Cisco blog. The Cisco blog is your hub for all the latest news from Cisco and some great content. Everything from corporate social responsibility to security to Cisco services. Check it out today. I think you'll be glad you did. So this week's news is all about blogs. And in today's Talos segment, we highlight the Talos blog. The Talos blog is updated frequently and dives into new and pertinent information on all things security. Recently, Talos published their quarterly trends report. As you can see here, this is a comprehensive quarterly summary around all things incident response from Talos. A key point highlighted by Talos is that healthcare is still the most targeted vertical, making it absolutely crucial that you secure your healthcare intellectual property and that precious user data that you've been entrusted with. You can check out this report today at blog.talosintelligence.com. Another reminder that right now, the Black Hat Security Conference is going on in Las Vegas. Cisco is a sustaining partner of Black Hat, and we have a sizable presence at the show, including being the SOC for the show, which we're very proud of. If you happen to be there, stop by and check out our booth. Hopefully, we will see you there. And now would be the time, as we like to do, to remind you to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you can be assured of never missing another upcoming episode of Let's Get SASE. So let's get down to the main event. SASE on Meraki, and more specifically, Cisco Secure Connect. To help me dig into this topic, I would like to introduce to you Kevin Fan, Cisco Technical Solutions Architect and Meraki expert. Welcome to the show, Kevin.
Thanks. Hello, everyone. This is Kevin Fan from Cisco SASE Solution Architect team. I'm so happy to be here today to talk about SASE and how Cisco can offer unified SASE experience to our Meraki customers through Cisco Secure Connect.
Hey, Kevin, that's great. So as we saw before, as you can see here, that SASE is an architecture combining network and security as one cloud-delivered service. So the question is, in the real world, what approach should organizations take when they deliver SASE?
Great question. Typically, there are two different approaches to deploy a consumed SASE. There are disaggregated SASE and unified SASE. Disaggregated SASE should consist of an SD-WAN solution and a security service edge solution. And these two solutions should have a greater synergy so that they can be integrated into a SASE solution. However, the SD-WAN and SSE may come from same or different SASE vendors. Unified SASE offers a more comprehensive and consolidated SASE solution by integrating SD-WAN and SSE into a cloud-delivered and co-managed service. In this case, SD-WAN and SSE will come from one single SASE vendor.
Got it. So I guess the next question is unified SASE equivalent to single vendor SASE? If not, what's the difference?
Well, they're not necessarily equivalent. In most cases, unified SASE is offered by one single SASE vendor. So unified SASE is a single vendor SASE solution in this regard. Disaggregated SASE can be offered by multiple SASE vendors or single SASE vendor. SASE vendors such as Cisco can offer both disaggregate and unified SASE solution to customers in order to meet different customer needs and provide flexibility.
So it sounds like unified SASE can provide some unique values and benefits to organizations. Can you explain maybe more why organizations should consider a unified SASE solution?
That's right. Unified SASE does provide great unique values compared to the disaggregated SASE solution, especially for operational and management purpose. As we know, SASE solution contains both SD-WAN and SSE components. It's not easy to deploy, integrate, and manage these two solutions together. This is a huge burden for many IT teams. Unified SASE is designed to address this challenge for IT teams because SD-WAN and SSE can be deployed more easily as a unified platform, simplify the IT management and support, eventually lower the overall IT spend.
Yep. So unified SASE is great for many organizations. So how do organizations choose unified SASE solution as opposed to something else?
That's a great question. Because SASE has SD-WAN and SSE components, organizations should consider unified SASE vendor who is a very strong leader in both SD-WAN market and SSE market. Meanwhile, vendors should have ability to well integrate these components together. Cisco is a great example in the market because Cisco is a leader in both SD-WAN and SSE market recognized by multiple analysis firms. Organizations should always consider Cisco first, no matter they need a disaggregated SASE or unified SASE solution.
Got it. So since we just discussed different SASE approaches organizations can take, can you talk a little about what SASE solutions Cisco is offering to the market?
Cisco knows every customer is different, and that is why Cisco has a different SASE solution in our SASE offers. SASE a la carte is a SASE solution which integrates Cisco industry-leading technologies, including Cisco SD-WAN, Cisco Secure Access, Dual, and Thousand Eyes, and provides most flexibility to our customers. We provide all these core building blocks to build a SASE architecture because we recognize that every customer's requirement is different and they are on their own steps toward their SASE journey. We need to provide flexibility when determining how a SASE architecture should fit into their environment and the user case. Cisco Secure Connect is a unified and turnkey SASE solution. We deliver the speed and simplicity in terms of deployment, operation, and consumption. It's perfect fit for those customers who want to start their SaaS journey without the need to plan on-prem infrastructure and hire expert personnel to build and maintain the solutions, especially when customers practice lean IT strategy. In this case, Secure Connect can be a pure cloud-delivered solution and consumed as a service.
Makes sense. So can you provide some details about Cisco Secure Connect then? What is the architecture and how can it simplify SASE deployment management for Cisco customers, especially Cisco Meraki customers?
Cisco Secure Connect is a unified, cloud-based and turnkey SASE solution powered by Cisco Meraki and the Cisco Security Service Edge solution. It integrates Cisco industry-leading networking, security, client connectivity, and monitoring capabilities into one single cloud-delivered and subscription service. This simplifies Meraki's customers' operation and deployment through a unified cloud-managed dashboard. It's very straightforward to procure, easy to set up, and simple to use. More specifically, Cisco Secure Connect offers a simple IT experience to Meraki customers by making it easy to deploy, scale, and secure access to applications with a pay-as-you-go service mode. This enables Meraki customers to manage both private and public application access with a single solution for consistent policy control and user experience. Meraki customers can gain many benefits from Secure Connect, including first, enable hybrid workforce and deliver an optimized and user experience no matter where they work. Second, it provides security and protection against phishing websites, ransomware, and hacking threats when users access internet. Last, shift the budget to OPEX so IT admins do not need to make a very long-term plan for buying and managing on-prem infrastructure. They can scale up and down as they go. Cisco Secure Connect is mainly to address the three different use cases. The first one is secure internet access. Secure Connect protects users against all different types of cyber attacks, including phishing websites and ransomwares, when the user access internet and cloud SaaS applications from any location, no matter from your office and even remote. And meanwhile, their connections can always be optimized for better end-user experience. The second one is secure private access. When remote users connect to your private application and the data in your cloud and data center, you always want to make sure they can access the digital assets they're supposed to access. This is why adding additional layer of protection on top of the application and the data is so important. Secure Connect has cloud verifiable and web-based access policy control features to make sure users have the least privilege in your network and can only access certain applications and the data based on their user ID. This applies to both VPN and VPN-less scenarios. The third one is interconnect. Secure Connect can interconnect all your cloud infrastructure, campus, branch office, and remote users to unify the SASE fabric through SD-WAN and have a unified policy engine and a dashboard for management. This eliminates all the operation complexity and saves your cost. Now let's talk about how Secure Connect can protect users in different scenarios. Start from secure remote workers. For managed endpoints, when remote users need to access their private applications, they can use Cisco Connect to establish VPN sessions to any global VPN service pops of Secure Connect. Then users' traffic will traverse through the backhauling tunnel to reach their application either in cloud or data centers. Of course, secure policies will be enforced here. Just make sure the users can access the applications and the data they are allowed to access. Connect can also steer user traffic to secure web gateway inside Secure Connect, so that the users can enjoy all the security features, including DNS security, secure web gateway, CASB, and DLPs. Secure Connect also provides zero trust network access solution, which can expose your internal application to the public usage, so that even unmanaged endpoint, for example, used by the temporary contractors, can also securely access your private applications. Then how about protecting branch users? For branch users, user traffic can be steered to Secure Connect through IPsec tunnels by Cisco SD-WAN or any other router or firewall as long as they support standardized IPsec protocols. And again, security policy will be enforced here, and users can be protected by all the cloud security features such as DNS security, secure web gateway, cloud firewall, CASB, and the DLP purpose. Secure Connect can also control branch to branch and branch to data center traffic, so that you can leverage our cloud firewall feature to control branch users' access to private application. In this way, Cisco Secure Connect is a cloud-based and centralized security policy engine to control both internet and private application access, no matter where the users work from. This is how we can deliver the unified SASE experience and architecture. Secure Connect's unified SASE solution combines Cisco Meraki SD-WAN and the Cisco Security Service Edge solution together. Let me present a quick demo to show how Cisco Connect can deliver a unified SASE experience to Meraki customers. So when Meraki customers log into Meraki dashboard, they can manage all the different Meraki infrastructures such as wireless, switching, and SD-WAN together from one single platform. For example, they can manage all the different features in our local SD-WAN appliance. They can manage all the different local IP subnets and VLAN configurations. They can also do local firewall rules, including inbound and outbound, to protect the local users against all different internet-based cyber attacks. And of course, we can manage all the SD-WAN features and the traffic shapings. We can select uplinks, configure the local uplink bandwidth, and apply different SD-WAN policies. Secure Connect also provides visibilities into local users' activity. We can monitor all these users who are connected to our local network. We can see how much bandwidth they're using and what applications they're using. Manage and control all the cloud security features from Meraki dashboard. There is a dedicated cloud security configuration section on Meraki dashboard. From here, Meraki customers can manage all the cloud security features such as DNS security, secure web gateway, cloud firewall, and data loss prevention. And of course, Meraki customers can manage all the users who can access the service and applications. We can integrate all the major IDP providers such as Cisco Duo, Microsoft Azure AD, and so on. And user's identity can be used in different policies to control user access. We can also define customers' application, both private application and public applications. We can use IP address to define the private application and also the port and the protocols. For public applications, we can pick all the applications running in your network and other predefined public applications. Again, this can be used to create the security policies. So Meraki customers can define who can access what application in the policy rules. Now let's look at how we can define different policies. The policy overview page shows brief information of all the policy configured in your system. For example, if you want to create a firewall rule policy, click a link and it brings us to the policy configuration portal. From here, when you want to create a new rule, just add a new rule and add all the key elements in the firewall rule such as action, identity, destination, and so on. When configuration is done, simply click the link and bring back us to the Meraki dashboard. Customers also have access to the security logs. We can review all the real-time security activities in the network and check the details of some logs as well. Secure Connect can protect users when they need to access Internet and SaaS applications. It provides many key cloud security features to protect users, such as DNS security, cloud firewall, CASB, and data loss prevention. Now, let's take a look at how to build a list of policies. Let's start from the DNS security policy. Creating a DNS security policy is very straightforward. For example, you can limit the Internet contents user can access. As you can see, we have 3 predefined content categories IT team can choose. And of course, IT team can customize their own content categories. Well, besides content category, we can also define a destination list to whitelist or blacklist the specific domains and the URLs, so you can get a more granular control users' access to Internet. And finally, we want to choose who are subject to this policy. As you can see, we have a big identity selection to choose, such as users and device. Now let's move to the secure web gateway policy. When you want to create a new policy, just click the link and you can add different rules for different users and device. And we have different actions we can apply to this rule. We can also control what files the user can download from the internet. We also support a tenant control feature for CASB. For example, users can only access your enterprise Office 365 tenant, but are not able to access their personal Office account. A last important policy I want to demo is the DLP policy. We support multimodal DLP for both real-time and API-based for SaaS applications. We have many built-in data classifications such as GDPR, HIPAA, and credit card information. We can also choose the identity applies to this role and the destination applications as well. Secure Connect can connect users to private applications either in data center or cloud, and there are two solutions: VPN as a service and zero trust network access. First, let's take a look at how Secure Connect can deliver VPN as a cloud-based service. In order to deploy VPN as a service, Secure Connect streamlines the configuration in steps, so it will be easy for IT team to deploy and consume this service. For example, first, we want to provision our cloud VPN headend in Secure Connect. We can choose different service regions from North America and Europe based on our locations. And after provision VPN headend, we can connect our data center and cloud infrastructure to the Secure Connect. For Meraki customers, it can be very simple because of the Meraki SD-WAN and also the auto VPN technologies. Then we need to provision VPN users and make sure the desired group of users can access the VPN service. And again, we can integrate with the major IDP providers to authenticate the users. Lastly, we want to create the firewall rules and make sure the users actually can only access the application they are allowed to access. Now let's talk about Zero Trust Network Access, which is another important private application access solution in Cisco Secure Connect. As we know, VPN is a good solution for private application access. However, sometimes deploying and managing VPN client on a remote device is not feasible. ZTNA solution in this case can help to connect remote users to your private applications without VPN connections. Secure Connect provides web browser-based ZTNA solution. Let me present how this solution works. For example, first of all, we want to define a private application users want to access. In this example, we have a private application named Finance Portal, and we want remote users to access this application through web browser. In this case, we just need to enter all the internal IP, port, and protocol information. Secure Connect will assign external URL for remote user to access. After defining this application, we want to create a ZTNA policy rule to limit user access to this application. And of course, users need to go through the authentication process before they can reach the application. We also support endpoint posture check and make sure users can access this application through permitted OS version, web browser, and also geolocations.
Thanks, Kevin. That was some great content. So that's about all the time we have for today. I think we can all see how versatile and easy to use Meraki is as a SASE architecture when you add in Secure Connect. Great information. If you have any questions or want to dig deeper into SASE, your Cisco sales team is the place to go. They can help you along your journey to SASE, no matter where you might be in that journey. Tune in next time for our next episode where we are going to get deep on why zero trust is important in a SASE architecture and how Cisco can help you get there. Should be a great time. So until next time, I'm your SASE MC John. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you right here soon for the next episode of Let's Get SASE. See you all soon.